Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to use had better. It means it is advisable to do something, that you should do something. If you don't, there could be a problem. For example, I have to meet Amy in 10 minutes. I had better go now, or I'll be late. It is also possible to contract had better. So the previous sentence could be rephrased the following: I'd better go now. Let's observe another situation. Shall I take an umbrella? Yes, you'd better. It might rain. Still another one. We're almost out of petrol. We'd better stop soon. The tank is almost empty. The negative form is had better not. Let's see it in context. That jacket looks good. Are you going to buy it? I'd better not. It's very expensive. You don't look well. You'd better not go out tonight. Remember, we use had better for the present or future, not the past. And the structure is had better plus verb without to. So do not say, I'd better to go, but I'd better go. So, you'd better practice this structure to sound more natural in English. See you later, alligator.